Let us install the JavaScript engine, that is the Node.js, and let's set up the basic text editors and everything that we need to get started. So the first thing what we want to do is install Node.js, and let's move to nodejs.org, and in the download section you can see different installers for different OS. If you are using Windows, you can install this, but it gets downloaded. If you are using Mac OS, you can install it from here. Alternatively, once this is downloaded, you can just run this installer and it will automatically get installed, and then you can run this thing node -v to check if it is installed properly or not. Another way is to download it via the node version manager. Suppose you are on Ubuntu, you can do the same thing. You can download a node installer and then install it, or the other ways you can download you can install NVM, which is node version manager, and then via NVM you can install a particular version of node, so which is recommended. So to download using NVM, you can move to this site, basically the package manager of node, and you can follow their instructions here. It is given on their GitHub. So they have given the steps to install NVM and to use any particular version of node using NVM. So all the links are given in the blog, which you can refer in the resource section. Third thing what we need is VS Code or any other text editor such as Sublime or anything else, but I prefer VS Code. These are the installers for various OS, and if you click it on install, it's basically an application which gets installed. So I already have it installed, so it will look something like this. And suppose I create a new file, you can write anything in this file. So let's say this is an HTML template, and what we want to do is we need to install some extensions which can help us to prettify our code. So let's go to ESLint. ESLint is for linting our JavaScript in VS Code. You can install this. Another one is Prettier. Prettier is for formatting. So this is for code formatting. It makes the code look cleaner. So these two you can install from here, and in this settings thing you can go and customize the settings also. So yeah, thank you.